Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Native to India, the fast-growing curry tree is a small evergreen bush or tree that can reach anywhere from 6 to 20 feet tall. The most widely known part of the curry tree is its aromatic, spicy foliage comprised of many leaflets. The leaves are pinnate and form alternately on the stem. And winter is the dormancy period of the curry plant. Look at the leaves. The leaves that used to be fresh and aromatic ones have all been brown. And this plant's leaves have almost shed away. Okay, now in today's video, I'll tell you how you can repot them for summer to get many leaves again. First of all, my mom is removing all the mulching that she had done for the winter. Now she is trying to remove the plant from the pot. Now you can do this in a way that you're comfortable with. You can do it by digging the soil or by shaking the plant. And with this, my mom has also cut some dead damaged stems from the plant. My mom is going to remove this from the pot as she is going to hard prune the roots of this plant. If you think that your plant does not need root pruning, then there is no need for you to do it. As our plant's roots had root bound, that's why she had pruned the roots. Simply you need dry leaves, then some garden soil and then kitchen waste compost for the soil. Instead of kitchen waste compost, you can use vermicompost, coco peat or any other kind of compost. This is done repotting. Now let us look at the second pot where the leaves are browned. Here my mom will only do the root pruning. No kind of stem pruning will be done here. This is because my mom says that when we prune our plants, it gives us plant stress. So my mom does not want to give double stress by doing stem pruning and root pruning. After doing the root pruning, my mom will repot the plant like we did with the earlier plant. After that, she will do stem pruning after 15 to 20 days. Till then, this plant will have new growth. Until then, this plant will overcome the root pruning stress. You can keep on watching this. Till then, I will tell you about the care. First of all, let me tell you about the light. The curry plant thrives in full sun. Place in the absolute sunniest part of your garden for the best results. And for the soil, you need to place your plant in a well-drained fertile soil on the acidic side with a pH between 6.4 and 6.9. Now I will tell you about the water. Moderate watering is sufficient for your plant. Also, do not water in the winter if your plant is in dormant period or the temperatures are below freezing. Now I will tell you about the temperature. The curry tree is frost tender. While it can survive a mild frost, it does not do well in areas with constantly cold winters. This will prompt to shed its leaves and go in dormant period until spring. Your plant will like to thrive in a hot, humid climate. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.